channel. I'm Chloe, and today I'm going to be doing, I have to fix this slime, but I'm not exactly fixing it. I'm going to be shutting my eyes and picking a paper, and whatever it says, I have to add into this. So what I have to add in is blue food dye, green food dye, red food dye. That's the food dyes I have. Foam soap and shaving cream. That's what's in this bowl that I can pick. I really don't want the shaving cream because this slime is already hard enough. See if it makes bubbles. Not exactly. Okay. Let's pick one. Please don't be shaving cream. At the start, I get shaving cream. Really? That one has been picked, so it's out. Chicken pull up. You know, that's good. That's all I want anyway. Look how much I put. I would have put more, it just doesn't come and get one. Don't worry, guys. If we actually completely run out of string, I have a backup in my slime thingy. You know, I'm actually gonna have a little more because that's kind of cheating. I really added any. There we go. I really hope this doesn't get too hard. I think I may have added too much. Let's just keep mixing it. It'll come together in a hard way, which is a really good thing, so I don't want my slime to be hard. And if you hear some noise in the background, that's just my mom. Oh, kind of actually makes bubbles now. Maybe I actually need that sugar cream to make it a bit fluffy. Now let's pick again. What am I gonna get? Come on, please be foam soap. Blue food dye. It's already blue though. Oh no. I'm getting stuff that I don't need. There's 3 drops, that's good. This is a really light food dye because it's not strong at all. So that was a perfect amount. Well, anyways, I don't think it's strong. This is a very crunchy slime. And that food dye did not change this color at all. The blue food dye just knocked on the ground. And now my slime's dripping. Okay. 1 second, guys. I'm just going to clean up that thing. Okay. Blue food dye back on the table. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. More shaving cream! No! I'm getting everything I don't want. I'm so unlucky. That's good. Look how much. It's going to be so hard at the end of this video. Have you got any foam soap yet? Oh, give me everything I don't want. I really hope hope I get some foam soap. Then I'm gonna add a lot. It's really needed. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm doing this for you guys. The point of this challenge is to make it better and I'm making it worse. Finally, foam soap! I don't know how to shake this. I'm gonna add a lot, guys. I need it. I hope it all mix in. I have a little bit of a fever, so my voice might have changed a little. If you notice, I have a bit of a fever, but I'll be okay. Ooh, it makes bubbles now. The foam soap is helping so much. And can I tell you guys a story? Once, I brought this slime to school, and my friend Anna and we played with it together, and we dropped it so many times it got full of rocks. So I'm really glad we're adding in the foam soap that will clean it. Because it's so dirty. So there's so much rocks in it. It's so dirty. I can't believe how dirty it actually got. It was insane. My brother would, instead of insane, my brother would call it insanity. Alright, it's finally all mixed in. It's so I don't know, it's so anything. Let's see if it makes bubbles. But yes! See, all it needed was foam soap. Okay, let's pick some other ingredients and cross our fingers we don't get shaving cream. Foam soap! Finally, I'm getting luck. I'm only gonna add a little bit because I don't need a lot. More pokey now. It makes bubbles now. Let's see if it stretches. Yes, it stretches. Does it make sense for it? And yes, it does. This slime is perfect, but I have to pick some more. And there's lots of shaving cream still left, so it's gonna get ruined. Foam soap! How do I keep getting lucky? That's good. I'm almost out of foam soap. I will need all this foam soap for when I get the shaving cream. There's still like 5 shaving creams in here. Well, there's only 3 left. So one is green food dye, red food dye, and shaving cream. I can tell because I know like how much we put in there, so that's what's left. Okay, really, I'm gonna ruin it. Okay, let's see which one we get first. shaving cream. Darn it. I'm gonna only add a little bit because this looks so perfect. Right on this mini bubble. That I just popped. Okay, I'm gonna make a bubble and then add shaving cream on top. Ready? It actually took a lot before it popped. I think I added too much, now it's gonna get really hard. Come on, don't make me slime hard. I just made it perfect. I'm pretty sure we are back where we started, to a hard mess. And there's no more foam soaps in here. It's just food dye. That sucks. It's not as pokey anymore. Does not make bubbles anymore. Doesn't stretch very well anymore. So I say we made it good. No, so we had it bad, then we made it good, then we made it bad, and we finished it off bad. Red food dye. The last one is green food dye. 2 drops, that's good. And now I hope this doesn't take over because red and green make it brown. Then we would totally fail. But it's good because I only had 2 drops. It's really light. And like it's not strong at all. Oh, I made a shade of purple. No, I didn't actually. Whoa, okay. It's like a blast. I'm gonna take a piece and add some blood, mix it together and hope it makes purple. No, the red is not strong enough. Maybe like a dark blue kind of. Okay, last but not least, let me guess, green food dye. Green food dye, I was correct. 1, 2. I think the green is a bit stronger than the red and blue, but it's still not strong enough to take over, I don't think. Nope, did not take over, thankfully. I wish I could cheat right now and put in thumbs up. Well, I'm gonna pick 2 from the ones I already used, put them back in the bowl, and then pick again and hope I get thumbs up because I don't really want to end off with a failure again because most of the videos I do, it always ends up failing. So, pick 2. Okay, now that 2 are back in the bowl, I'm gonna shut my eyes and pick one and hope it's thumbs up. Thumbs up! Yes! Let me see what the other one I could have got. Blue food dye. Thank Lord I didn't get it. Oh, thank Lord. Don't have a lot left, so let's hope it will do. I need to use as much as I can because I might end up failing. Work, 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 work. I really thought I was going to fail there. See if it made it better. Oh, I think my mom just turned the light off. And I realized I was doing this in the dark the whole time. It makes bubbles again. I think we have finally made our mission success.